Welcome to SnapComms. This tutorial introduces and then demonstrates the concept of SnapComms Windows app updates, which are now available in the SnapComms Cloud platform and the Windows app software version 19.3 and higher. What are app updates? App updates allow you to publish a new version of the SnapComms app from the SnapComms Content Manager, rather than having to first uninstall the existing apps, provision and download the new app, and then deploy it to all staff. This new feature enables you to easily keep up to date with the latest SnapComms Windows apps. Prerequisites. The app update feature became available with version 19.3 of the SnapComms Windows app. If you're on an older version, you will need one final manual deployment to upgrade to version 19.3 or higher. But from then on, you'll be able to schedule all future app updates from your content manager. How do app updates work? The easiest is to demonstrate. Log into the content manager and check your existing app version numbers in the users list. Here I see both my users on app version 19.4. Alternatively, open your own SnapComms app and hover over the SnapComms logo to see the version number. Once you are using the Windows app version 19.3 or higher, like I am, the updates work as follows. When a new version of the app is released by SnapComms, you'll immediately notice an update icon in the App Management section of the Content Manager. Open the Windows App Updates page to see the new version number and read the release notes to see what is included. Before you go any further, please read this note about how to proceed with imaged or templated machines. Then click the Schedule an Update button to get started. The latest app version will be pre-selected for you. Now select who should receive the new version, just like you would choose the target audience for a new message. Then set the time and date that the new version should be published to existing apps. Any date set to the past will trigger an automatic update of the app once published. Lastly, click Publish. Review your settings and then confirm. The next time your employees' apps connect to the SnapComms server after the scheduled publish date and time, they will automatically receive the update.
Returning to the Windows App Updates page, I can see that the status has changed to In Progress. And let's check the success report, where we can see I targeted 2 employees, the update package reached one of those employees, and the update was successfully applied for that person, who happens to be me. So let's check my app again, where I can confirm that the version number has updated. Also notice how the update icon has been removed because the latest version has successfully been installed on at least one app.
Upgrade now to the new Windows app and enjoy easy auto updates going forward. Thanks for watching.